In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a trigger in Klaviyo Flow. For this, first of all, log into your Klaviyo account and head over to the Flow section. After that, open the flow in which you want to change the trigger. For example, if you have created a long flow and later realized that you had the wrong trigger the entire time, and now you want to change it, there is something important you need to know. The harsh reality is that you cannot change or edit the trigger directly from inside the flow. As you can see, the only options available are to add profile filters or trigger filters, but the trigger itself cannot be changed here. However, the good news is that there is a simple workaround. Go back to your flow section and you will see the flow you just designed. Click on the three dots at the end of this flow and then select the option Clone. Now set a name for the new cloned flow and click on Continue. After this, you will notice that you are now able to change the trigger of the new clone. Simply click on the drop-down menu, and from here you can easily select a new trigger. Once you have chosen the correct one, click on Clone Flow. After that, click on Got It. Now you will see that your new cloned flow is ready. If you no longer want the old flow, you can click on the three dots next to it. Select the Delete option and then confirm by clicking Delete Flow. After that, open your new clone by clicking on it, and you will notice that the entire flow is exactly the same as the original. The only difference is that the trigger has been successfully changed, and this is how you can change a trigger in Klaviyo Flow.